Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're gonna go through the portfolio. We're gonna show you guys what we received in dividend payments for the month of October 2022. One of my largest months for the year 2022 when it comes to dollar figure wise, percentage growth wise, not the biggest, but biggest in dollar figure, which I'm super excited about. And so we'll just get right into it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so portfolio today, closing out at $14,496.31 Canadian. We are up $34.16, up 0.24% on the day. For the 1 week, we are up $387.36, up 2.74%. For the 1 month, up $432.91, up 3.08%. For the 3 months, we're still down $312.30, down 2.11%. For the 1 year, we are down $314.34, down 2.12%. And for the all, we are up $996.59, up 7.38%. And that is since starting the portfolio. We currently have $68.32 in the cash account with $100 not available, which will be available this Thursday. And just a heads up, my next video will be on Friday just because I'm going to be gone for the weekend there. And so I just want to make sure that gets out because I won't have time to make a video for Saturday as we usually do. So it'll be on Friday that you'll see the next video. So just a heads up there. But that is the portfolio as it stands today. We'll go ahead and filter it down to activity. We'll do this quick because there was quite a few that came in the month of October of 2022 when it comes to dividends. So you can filter it here, TFSA and dividends, and done. And we'll start with the first one, which came in October 3rd from Loblaws. Ticker symbol L. We received this on October 3rd, 2022, and a total of $4.05. If you don't know what Loblaws is, it is a grocery chain here in Canada, which also owns Shoppers Drug Mart. The next one we received in the month of October is from TELUS, ticker symbol T, received on October 3rd, 2022. We received a whopping $14.90. And that goes to pay for a meal at McDonald's, to be honest. So that is TELUS, and TELUS is a telecommunications company, one of the big three here in Canada. So that is TELUS. The next one we received was from the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF that we have, ticker symbol VFV. We received $3.19 on October 6th, 2022. The next one we received was from Bell Canada. BCE is the ticker symbol. We received $19.32 on October 17th, 2022. And Bell Canada is also one of those telecommunication companies, one of the big three here in Canada. And so that one's there. And then on October 26th, we received $11.86 from Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO. What I actually love to see is these double digits keep coming in. Next one we received on October 27th, a day after, from our previous one, was $18.54 from Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Greatest thing is I think bank earnings will come out soon, even though they just finished up. Or sorry, no, they're not, because I think a lot of the financials, a lot of the banks are starting their new fiscal year. So Bank of Nova Scotia, $18.54 on October 27th, 2022. And the last one we received was on October 31st, 2022 from TD, Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, gave us $13.35 in dividends on the last day of October on Halloween. And so that was the last one. So as you can see, there was quite a few that came in. for October. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total companies that paid us dividends, with a total of a whopping $85.21. So those are all the dividend payments for the month of October 2022. And of course, with the updates every single month, when it comes to dividend payments, this wouldn't be a dividend update if we didn't show you guys the spreadsheet that I have that's tracking every single dividend, showing year-over-year growth. So I'll show that on the screen here, and there it is. So October 2022, a total received of $85.21. As you can see, in October of 2020 is when we received our first dividend of $6.30. And then in 2021, it grew to a $27.38 38-cent month in October of 2021. And this year in 2022, we've received a total of $85.21. Year-over-year growth, that's a 211% growth, which is fantastic. As I always say in these updates for dividend payments, if you looked at these numbers and you saw a 211% growth in revenue, in any kind of metric other than debt, in a company, you would be foaming from the mouth. I think for me, if I saw that, I'd be like, yeah, I'm in, because even investors, they get excited about, a 10, 20% growth in revenues. They like to see any kind of positive number, because that means the company continues to grow. And so when I see that number, percentage wise, is a great number to see. The dollar amount is a great number to see, because it's the biggest dividend month out of all the months here in the year 2022, and we still have 2 months to go. So as you can see here on the total amount at the bottom there, in 2020, we received $17.37, even though we only received 3 months worth of dividends. In 2021 was our first full year. We received $202.43 for the year. And this year, we've already blown that out of the water at $384.50. Now, year-over-year growth from 2021 to 2022, or the other way around, 2022 to 2021, we already see a 90% growth year over year in total dividends paid out, which is $384.50. Our net deposits, the amount we've put in so far, is $5,828.26. Now, a lot of people might be wondering why I am not getting penalized. It's because I still have a little bit of contribution room, quite a bit. There were some years that I didn't do the full amount, and it's saving me, to be honest with you. And so I think this year, what was it, 6,000 is the max, or 6,500, and we'll probably hit that. But luckily, I still have a little bit of a buffer zone. I didn't max it out completely, and so that is the net deposit so far. Total invested since starting this portfolio is $13,505.95, and today's market value, of course, is $14,496.31. We still have 2 months left. We still have November, December for the year. I'm excited to see what dividends come in for this month, and that's pretty much it, guys. Like, biggest month dollar wise, not the biggest month growth wise, but that's why I guess a lot of companies like to report quarter to quarter, because sometimes some months are just bigger than the others, so you just clump them together and you get a quarter. And so for the month of October, a whopping $85.21. That almost covers a phone bill. And we'll continue to grow. I'm excited to honestly see what 2023 brings, even though we're still a couple months away. The strategy doesn't change. Continually investing at regular intervals, as you can see, does pay dividends, literally, and increase dividends year over year, as long as you keep on doing the regular intervals and keep those dividends coming in, and just regular cash flow, which is great, which all gets reinvested, of course. Eventually, you get to the point where the dividends are buying extra shares, because as you probably have noticed, I'm only buying like 1 share every single week, maybe 2, if it's a low priced stock. within that dollar amount. But eventually you'll get to being able to purchase, 3, 4, 5 shares with dividends and just keeping that compounding growth happening. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Don't forget the video is going to come out on Friday because I'm going to be gone that day. I'm going to be gone all weekend. And so I won't have time during the weekend to record. And yeah, you'll get an early video. So have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.